Hello everyone, Teresa here again at beautiful downtown Junction City, Guarantee RV, and I'd like to introduce you today to the great little Winnebago Via diesel engine by Mercedes, diesel chassis or chassis by Mercedes, and a nice little 25-foot Class A in a sense, or a Super B. Starting out with the front, as you can see, you've got all kinds of lighting. You've got your fog lights, extra lights. The front end is built for lots of visibility. You've also got the giant mirrors seeing what you need to see down the side. And you'll notice here, a cameraman can take a look at that. You've got side view cameras as well. It'll really help you out when you need to really be able to see what's there if you can't otherwise. Nice big entrance door to your cab. Very roomy inside, comfortable with lots of view space on that window. The storage units here are very good sized for a class of this type. Got access, very easy access to your tank valves, your outside shower and water and cleaning system. Also your cord is here, and you've got an automatic, well, stabilizer retractor, so those are electric stabilizers. Coming around the back, you'll notice you've also got rear view camera and lights up at the top, so if you are towing something, they'll still be able to see your brake lights. Nice, safe rig. Lots of safety and put into these. Your tow hitch. More storage, something that you didn't see from the other side, but this is pass-through storage. That's what that other door was on that side. Great place for your tire. Who wants to dig underneath to get that tire out when you need to? 3600 Onan generator. Great sturdy cabinets and more storage. It's kind of an important thing when you're on the road for a long time. Everybody's wondering, where am I going to put all my stuff? So come on in and I'll show you the rest of where you can put all your stuff. This one just arrived, so it's still got a lot of its plastic coating on everything. Great cabinet space. Another sleeping area when it's not a couch. Lots of cabinet space. But wait, there's more. They've come up with a plethora of unique storage areas just for all those camping trips, and you're looking for somewhere to put that thingy-majigger. The kitchen, tiny kitchen, but lots of space. More than some of the older models of Class C's or B's or A's. Drawer space. 3-burner, if I can get this up with my gloves on. 2-burner. Stove, more drawers. It's awesome. And here, we've got sink covers if you prefer, and a basin. Kind of a neat little thing. These guys are ready for you to get out and enjoy yourself. Enjoy your travels and not worry about all the little things. Take a look at great refrigerator space for a little 25. And your convection microwave oven. Storage, and of course your information center. Bathroom makes for great room. They've put a lot into a little tiny space, making it very spacious. A little dome up ahead for the taller folks that still want to go out and have fun. Kind of reminds me of being in a really fancy Learjet. Closet space. Closet space everywhere. another TV along with the one that's up front as well. And as you can see, this is kind of an interesting setup. You can have 2 twin beds. There's a mechanism behind there that helps keep that head up. If you want to sit up and watch TV, it can go up to almost a 40-degree angle. And all of this fun stuff is here to make your bed more comfortable. You can also turn it into a king-size bed and have this whole space be bed. But wait, there's even more storage. So this ought to be a great rig for you to come in, take a look at, take it for a test drive. I'd love to help you out and get you some more information on this, some of the details about the drivetrain and transmission and everything. My number here is 253-886-7253. Again, Teresa Plett at Guarantee RV. Thank you so much.